Hi everyone, my name is Mangesh. I'm from 2BET S12. So today I'm going to present about the lab I have given, which is combinational logic circuit. So I'm doing part 1 and part 2. Okay, let's start. The part 1 is about Boolean simplification from expression. As first step, they already given me a expression and they asked to draw a combinational logic circuit. Okay, the combination logic circuit start with A bar. A bar is the output of NOT gate, and A plus B, A bar plus B is OR gate, and so you can see the starting with NOT gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Then I taking from the expression, you, you should ending with AND gate, which is the product is A B. Okay, stimulate the circuit and provide the truth table. This is my circuit in multisim. As start, the input is 0 0 0. That's the 0 0 0, and my output is 0. Second, the input is 0 1 1 0 0 1. The output also 0. Then the input is 0 1 0 0 1 0. My input is 1. My input is 1. Okay. Then the input is 0 1 1 0 1 1. My output is 0. And my input is 1 0 0 1 0 0. My output will be 0. My input is 1 0 1. My output will be 0, and my input is 1 1 0. My input is 1, and finally sorry, my input is 1 1 1, and my output is 0. This is because the each of the logic gates has its own properties to give their outputs. As we see, the NOT gate is a bar gate which gives the output of bar is input. Like if the input is 1, the output will be 0. If the input is 0, the output will be 1. Then you can see I connect with the OR gate. OR gate is a gate which gives the output two sums, which means 0 1 should be 1 because it's A plus B. Then you connect to AND gate. AND gate is a gate which gives the output of two product input, A times B. So you can take my input here, and you can count by following my logic gates. Third, they asked to simplify the expression using Boolean simplification. As I done here, you can see A bar. I already explained the equation by like this. A bar plus B in bracket A C bar. The C bar is the output of A times C bar. Then after you explain like this, you should orderly arrange the equation by A bar plus A bar A C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus B B C bar. Then you can you should separate the similar equation and by B C bar like this. And as you can see, the CC bar is not in there because the CC bar you can cut off into 0. First, they ask to draw the equivalent logic gate from the simplified multiplication. Okay, simplified multiplication, I get C bar B. Okay, C bar, when you see a bar, there should be a mm, not get, because not get give you uh, the opposite value of input. As you can see, this is my simplified Boolean equivalent logic gate. Let's run it. As you can see, the first input is 0 0, and my output also 0. When my input is 0 1, the output also 0. When my input is 1 0, my output will be 1. When my input is 1 1, my output will be 0. This is exactly as like this because we just take the simplification of from this Boolean expression. Okay. Part 2. Part 2 is about Boolean simplification using Karnaugh mark. Karnaugh mark. Okay. Firstly, they ask to determine the Boolean expression by combination. Let's say in figure 1. One. First, AND gate is a product of AB, where you can say AB, and secondly, C plus BD. See, because the NAND gate and the AND gate is connected with OR gate and NOT gate. So the output will be AB bar. The NOT gate here will be give the opposite output of all four gates in it. Then the NOT gate is combined with OR gate. OR gate is a gate which gives you A plus B. Then I simulated the design in my multisim like this and provide my truth table. Okay. This circuit has four inputs. This circuit four inputs, so your input will be start from quadruple 0 and finishing with quadruple 1. Okay. The first input is 0 0 0 0, and my output is 0. My second input is 0 0 0 1. My output is 0, and my third input is 0 0 1 0. My output is 0, and my fourth input is 0 0 1 1. My output is 1. So you can follow my truth table here. If you guys need to more understand it, you should memorize the flow of each logic gates so that you can understand this part is very easily. Thirdly, they ask to simplify the expression using Karnaugh mark and prove it by Boolean simplification. Okay, I've done where I started with A bar B, AB, and AB bar, and up here I put CD, C bar, D bar, C bar D, CD, and CD bar. Okay, so the 0 0 and this 0 0 is the input. So in this table, these are the outputs here. Okay. Then my simplification Boolean equation is x equal to AB bar CD plus A bar BCD plus ABCD plus AB bar CD. And here, draw the equation logic gates from simplified Boolean expression I've done. Okay, from here you can see start with AB bar. AB bar is always mm, ungate. That's why my S1 is also connected with ungate. Then CD. CD is always given you one. Yeah, so you can see my OR gate is here and both gate is connected to this FAD. This is my this in your left you can see my simplified part 2 circuit which I done in multi-sim. So as you can run here, then the input is all 0, the output is 0, and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. My output is also 0, and 0, 0, 1, 0, output is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, my output is 1. This is also exactly as my truth table. So guys, don't get too confused because this simplified Boolean expression is getting from the equation you do through Karnaugh map and also Boolean simplification. Although this circuit is much simpler compared to the other circuit like this, but the output also same because I we are doing the simplification of this bigger circuit. That's all. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaim bin Sukapi. I'm from BET B08-1910-323 Section 1 Sub 2. Okay, hari ni saya akan menunjukkan hasil lab saya part 3 lab digital. Okay, dia suruh construct application for Boolean algebra. Okay, saya dah construct lah circuit saya. Okay, seperti mana di sini construction saya, dia gunakan NOR gate, OR gate. Ini dia punya output. Ni switch dia. Ok, untuk yang pertama saya akan running multi-sim. Ok, ni dia saya punya program ataupun circuit dalam multi-sim. Ok, untuk saya dapatkan ada input di sini, saya akan tulis hasil dia. Ok, contoh yang pertama, output 0, 0, 0. Jadi saya dapat output 1. Ok, saya tulis sini 1. Ok, untuk yang kedua 1, 0, 0. Ok, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Ok, output dia 0. Ok, yang ketiga 0, 1, 0. Maksudnya 0, 1, 0. Ok, output dia pun 0. Ok, yang keempat 0, 0, 1. Output dia 1. Ok, yang kemudian seterusnya 1, 1, 1, 0. Output dia sebagaimana kita nampak iaitu 0. Output ni berdasarkan cahaya di mentol ni pada warna kuning ke tak. Ok, jawapan tadi 0. Ok, next input 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Ok, kita dapat sini output dia 1. Ok, yang next 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Ok, output dia 1. Ok, yang terakhir 1, 1, 1. Ok, output dia 1. Ok, ini je part saya. Ok, sekian, terima kasih.